creating advertising without an offer. The same way as I gave you two different ways of setting up your chatbot in Facebook Messenger, I mean using ManyChat and FlowXO, I want to give you two different settings of Facebook advertising. I will explain all the distinctions of each way and you will decide which one you like the most. The beginning of settings is the same. Choose traffic type of your campaign. Then here you choose checkbox, Messenger and scroll down. Here you set up your targeting as we did in a previous lesson. Here I want to pay your attention to placements. Now you can show you advertising in different places, but I recommend to leave only Facebook feeds, Instagram feed and Messenger home. Next step is adjusting your daily budget. Here is everything the same as we did before. On the final step, creating your ad post, you have here much more options and fields. Fill out your headline, text field and choose call to action, send message. Below you will see settings of your messenger. But since we already set up everything we need in ManyChat or FlowXO, we can leave here only short call to action what to do. Write something like hello. To get your coupon code, click on the button Get Started in your Facebook Messenger. Okay, done. But since we do not use offer anymore, we cannot use single-use promo codes and we need a group coupon code. And we also need to change our settings in Messenger. Let's start from a new coupon code. Remember that this coupon code you will need only if you want to run an advertising without an offer. If you like version with an offer, you will need only single-use coupons. You don't need to create group coupon code. So, go to your Amazon account, menu advertising, promotions. Then choose percentage off option. Then choose your product selection, percentage of your discount, start date, end date, and your internal description. Here is the most important part. You should choose option group, check the option 1 redemption per customer, copy your group coupon code below this field, and uncheck the option detail page display text. Last option, detail page display text, is very important. If you will not uncheck this option, your group promo code will be visible on your listing on Amazon and all your efforts will be in vain. Then scroll down and review the promotion. Okay, now we have a group coupon code, but this code will be used by many people, and to restrict the quantity of your products available for sale, we will need to protect your inventory additionally. This additional protection should be done only if you want to run an advertising without an offer, and right before running your advertising. Go to menu inventory, manage FBA inventory and check the product you want to promote. On the drop-down menu above or below, choose the option Create Fulfillment Order. On the next step, you should put any real address in the United States. On the right corner, you should put a quantity of your inventory you want to make unavailable for sale. For example, if you have 300 items of your product in stock, you can protect 100 items, and that means that the rest 200 items will be available for sale. And until you stop your advertising or disable your promo code, your sale will not stop. On the next step, you will have to check the option Hold this inventory up to 2 weeks and confirm. After these settings, you will have 2 weeks. During this time, you will have to run your advertising and return your inventory from hold. How to do that, I will show you right now. So after you ended your advertising on Facebook, you ended your promotion, you will need to return your inventory from hold. You go to the menu Orders, Manage Orders and choose Advanced Search. Then choose the period more than 2 weeks. Check non-Amazon option and click search. In the search results, you will see that order. Click on it and then you will find the button cancel this order. Click on it and done. In a few minutes, all your inventory will be returned in your stock from Holt and all your inventory will be available for selling. Now let's edit settings in your Messenger. Go to your Flow XO account, open your Flow and click Edit on the first message. This message should explain to your customer that here is his coupon code and that he will be able to claim it by clicking on the button below. Once again, all these procedures that are described in this lesson you should do only if you want to run advertising without an offer. If you prefer advertising with an offer, all these steps in this lesson are redundant. This is the final lesson of this course. I hope that this course was helpful for you and I wish you a huge success on Amazon. I will also be grateful for your honest review of this course. Your opinion is very important for me and for other students. If you will have any questions regarding this course, feel free to ask me personally. Thank you in advance and